in the quiet embrace of the wetland, as dawn breaks and the world stirs to life, we find one of nature's most exquisite wonders, the flamingo. With their elegant necks arched and legs poised, flamingos are not just a sight to behold. They are testament to resilience, adaptability, and the beauty of life. Flamingos thrive in environments that many would consider inhospitable. Shallow lakes, lagoons, and estuaries often high in salinity. Yet, it's here, against all odds, they have mastered the art of survival. With specialised beaks bent downwards, they become nature's filter feeders, sifting through mud and water in search of algae, brine flies and small crustaceans. This unique feeding technique not only nourishes them, but also supports the ecosystems they inhabit. But it is in their movement that the flamingo truly becomes a symbol of grace. Each dance-like step is a reminder that beauty often emerges from a harmonious blend of strength and vulnerability. As the sun sets and casts a golden hue across the sky, flamingos gather to create their homes. They work diligently, shaping mud into nests, each one a fortress of hope for the future. In this world, family reigns supreme. Flamingo parents share the responsibility of nurturing their young, demonstrating unyielding love and dedication. As day turns to night, the flamingo takes to the sky, a vivid portrayal of freedom and resilience, reminding us all that beauty and strength can rise from the challenges we face. In a world that often feels chaotic, we look to the flamingo for inspiration, to be adaptable, to thrive in our environment, to dance gracefully through life's adversities. Let us carry the spirit of the flamingo within us, vibrant, resilient, and unafraid to stand tall in our own unique beauty. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.